Good morning, students. I B. Jahnavi, Department of Fisheries. In your sixth sim, I will be dealing paper 6 aquaculture. For today, I would like to start Unit 1. Today's topic Blue Revolution. History of Blue Revolution in India. In olden days, Indians never faced the shortage of food as the supply was more than the demand. People led peaceful and happy life. Britishers changed our nation to a poor state. People starved due to the deficiency in food supply. These results looted our country in all respects. The food production was only 50 million tons for a population of 33 crores in 1947. This was never sufficient to these people. Hence, we used it to improve food grains under PL 480 scheme. There was only 2.7% increase in food production till 1974 through prominence was given to agriculture in 5-year plan. This is because of traditional practices in agriculture besides non-utilization of water resources. Our country introduced the changes in agriculture practices and gave priority in its 5-year plans since 1974. Agriculture produced increase in 120 million tons in 1977, 150 million tons in 1985 and 210 million tons in 1994. This phenomenal increase was made possible due to the implementation of scientific methods in agriculture through the slogan Green Revolution. Currently, we are not only able to meet the demands of our people but also in a position to export food grains in Indonesia, Afghanistan, Vietnam, and other South Asian countries. Farmers were encouraged to get higher yields by using fertilizers, pesticides through modern cultivation methods. All these food materials cannot provide necessary amount of proteins and fats. Hence, man tried to invent supplementary food to compensate the deficiency. White revolution, poultry, and blue revolution are the attempts in this direction to provide balanced and nutritional food to the needy people. The concept of rapid increase in the production of fish and marine is called as Blue Revolution. It was launched in India during 5-year plan 1985 to 1990 when the central government sponsored the Fish, Pro- Fish Frames Development Agency. Fish Farmer Development Agency. Blue Revolution in India. It refers to the time of intense growth of the worldwide aquaculture industries from the mid 1960s to the present day. The aquaculture industry has been growing at an average rate of 9%. Worldwide aquaculture production has now reached 50 million tons, up from 2 million in 1950. Concept of Blue Revolution. By utilizing the aquatic resources such as rivers, canals, reservoirs, lakes brackish water area, marine waters, to the maximum extent for growing food organisms like fishes, prawns, lobsters, oysters, and other molluscs. It is felt that the country can not only meet the demands of the people but also earn foreign currency. With this background, the concept of blue revolution was accepted. Fishery industry was started as small scale industries, now turned into major industries. Government is also encouraging by providing infrastructural facilities, technical assistance and financial aid through banks, ICIC, State Financial Corporation, State Trading Corporation, etc. Through aquaplosion, artificial culture of aquatic organisms having food value has been taken up to achieve maximum productivity from the available aquatic resources. Blue revolution is the other name given to aquaplosion. Definition of blue revolution. The blue revolution can be defined as a rapid increase in the production of the fish and the other sea water organisms by some programs. This intends to increase the production of the markets and sea products by advanced fish breeding, fish marketing, fish rearing, and fish export. Father of Blue Revolution, Dr. Hirlal Chaudhary and Dr. Arun, known as Father of Blue Revolution. Importance of Blue Revolution. Blue Revolution, the Neel Kranti mission has the vision to achieve economic prosperity of the country and the fishers and fish farmers as well as contribute towards food and nutritional security through full potential utilization of water resources for fisheries development in sustainable manner, keeping in view the biosecurity and environmental concern. Next, we discuss about significance of fishes. Animal proteins are easily digestible and absorbed than compared to plant proteins. Biological value is the term used to express the percentage of proteins assimilated from the total quantity of the proteins consumed by the organisms. Biological value for rice 68%, wheat 65%, eggs 94%, and fishes 76%. The ratio between the growth due to assimilated proteins and total quantity of proteins consumed is called protein efficiency ratio. Protein efficiency ratio for rice 2.2, wheat 1.5, red gram 1.7, eggs 3.9 and fishes 3.5. This shows that animal proteins are easily digested and absorbed. They contribute to the quick growth of the organisms. This is the reason for encouraging blue revolution. Fishes, lobsters, and prawns are used by patients to improve their health. Blue revolution brings lot of economy to the country. Next, objects of aquaculture. To fully tap the total fish potential of the country, both in the marine sector and triple the production by 2020. That transform the fisheries sector as a modern industry with special focus on new technologies and processes. Next point, that double the income of the fisheries and fish farmers with special focus on increasing productivity and better marketing post harvest infrastructure include e-commerce and other technologies and global best innovations to ensure inclusive participation of the fisheries and fish farmers in the income enhancement to the export earning by 2020 with focus on benefits flow to the fishes, fisheries and fish farmers including through institutional mechanisms in the cooperative producers, companies and other structures to enhance the food and nutritional security of the country. Next, uses of fishes. Fishes are used as food in poultry and cattle industries also besides human beings. Vitamin A and D are abundant in fishes. Liver oil extracted from codfishes and sardines had got medical value. Nitrogen containing fish cake is used as manure for crops. Fish glue is used in binding and carpentry works. Isinglass obtained from the air bladders of fishes used to purify beer and wine. Shiny dust from the scales of the fish is used to manufacture artificial pearls. Tail and fins of shark are exported as they are used in the preparation of soups in China. Larvacidal fishes are used to eliminate mosquito larvae. Some fishes like goldfish, silverfish, silver carp, black molly, etc. are grow in aquaria. Major crops like cutla, rohu and rugala are selected for artificial culture to earn more money through internal and export market. Thank you.